Alright, gang, Simon reacts. These TikToks will make you wheeze. They better be hilarious. Let's get it.
Today we're watching TikToks that make me wheeze, and Simon is about to show us him wheezing.
That was a wheeze. That was a good wheeze.
It was a good wheeze.
Because in my head I was thinking, I don't know how I can wheeze.
I don't know how to wheeze. Go on, you try and wheeze, Josh.
There it is.
What?
There it is. Nah, he laughed. You hear it. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I be wheezing too.
In my head I was thinking, I don't know how I can wheeze.
I don't know how to wheeze. Go on, you try and wheeze, Josh.
There it is.
What? But no, the laugh you did
wheeze?
afterwards was a better wheeze than you trying to wheeze.
I'll just come. I'll just come.
Wait, you can't wheeze.
I can't wheeze.
How do you wheeze?
Just breathe out from the depths.
Breathe out from the depths.
Yeah, like don't just.
Oh, I got it.
What is this?
Bro, they gonna fucking die, bro.
Well, this one will make us wheeze. It'll make us wheeze, hopefully. We'll see.
Alright. Josh is dying.
That's a lot.
I'm not gonna lie, I always wanted to be that house.
You still can.
It looks kind of cool, you know. It does look cool.
Yeah.
Last time I buy a bootleg DVD. Oh no.
What the? Oh my god. You hear the Indian music in the back? Bro.
It looks pretty cool, actually.
Crazy.
I think you sent this to the wrong person because I don't do green pen and I don't do autocorrect. Like, I'm not reading this PEEE paragraph. This is a monologue. You're sending me a monologue. This is a life story.
Your account delinquent?
I can't read this. I don't know. I don't know.
LOL.
I'm gonna read this. And you know I'm paralytic. I'm not reading that. All this energy you could have sent me to the iPhone tower and tell me face to face. And this, I know you have no respect. I don't do sorries, but I do block and forget.
Jesus.
Hi. You such a stinking mouth.
What? That was a wheeze.
Fuck?
My god.
You such a stinking mouth.
That boy had the phone in his mouth. Hey yo.
Ah.
Wait, what?
The fuck? What?
What? Ow.
Leave grandma alone.
Mama,
Oh no.
hast du mal 5 Euro für mich?
This is Crazy Frog.
Yeah, it's a remix.
Oh, she still got it.
I want to find that remix. Hang on a hot sec. Wait. Give me.
Just not to be that guy, but her hand was above her hip. It doesn't count.
Doesn't count.
Yeah.
Granny.
Don't
Okay,
count.
like hit replacement is actually much higher than you think.
Then fair enough, and we should really keep watch of Calyx.
Just a little bit. Harry, are you finding a remix? What's going
He's
on?
looking for the remix.
I'm trying to find the fucking remix. I can't find it, man. I can't find it anywhere. Okay.
Come back.
I will, you know what? I'm going to save this video and I will Shazam it when we're done filming.
Okay.
It.
Would you flip it if heads meant you got $10 billion, but tails meant you die instantly?
Come on, baby. Daddy needs to win today. And you won $10 million.
If you live
He
with a
said,
boy,
"Fuck."
what's something that they either brought with them or bought that they think is okay, even though it's not okay? I'll go first.
Yeah? Hell yeah. Jesus, you're fat too. I didn't know sperm had that many calories.
What is
What
going
the
on?
fuck?
Oh god.
Right.
Oh god.
Oh no.
Right.
Oh no.
Nice. Nice.
Don't kill that shit. What the fuck?
That horse is going
What the
through.
fuck? Okay. Okay.
That was I don't want to spoil it. That was Ethan, yeah. That's him. Oof. Finish.
Jeez.
Oh.
Does he still do videos?
Nah.
He must do, right?
Every TikTok that comes up for me that's him now is he controls it, is about to shoot, and then stops, and then sad music plays.
Oh.
I think he's quit.
What, he's just gone on to bigger and better things, or he's just sacked it?
No, because he started doing huge things, and then he was like, oh, I just want to live a normal life, I think.
You know what? I can respect that.
Respect.
Yeah, I can respect it. I
Respect.
found a Crazy Frog Funk remix. Is the shit.
still
that's
not-
been- Sorry, I
Oh
That's what you were
fuck.
looking for.
Oh my.
I've seen this. He just jacked
What
it.
the fuck?
He just jacked
Weak ass security.
Yo. Oh, man.
Ah. What the fuck?
Oh, no.
Oh my god, stupid ass. Oh my god.
Oh,
Hey yo, that boy hurting.
Flashbang and L.
50 yards at Popeswood Roundabout. Take the third exit onto Workingham Road B3408.
Oh my god, that's weird. Oh my god, bro, hold on, cause I'm watching the roundabout, and obviously here in the US it's on the other side, so the roundabout would go the other way. It's weird seeing it go you know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck? I know they drive on the opposite side of the road, y'all. It's just weird to see this map right now. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Hey Mason, just don't go too high, alright, man?
I won't.
Fine.
Need some new forces.
Mason! Mason!
What the? Their hands. Hey, yo. Oh my. What?
Yeah, can I get a fo-fo-fo?
Fo-fo-fo?
Yeah.
Nice. We haven't wheezed yet.
I can't wheeze.
I need a weapon.
I need a weapon.
I was looking for a weapon for wrestling. The fans said
what the fuck?
What is happening?
Yo, the core must be crazy strong, bro. What? Boy got fucking 30 abs on his chest.
Probably
on
good
his
workout,
chest.
workout for sure, right there.
Yeah, but once you start going down a hill, you're fucked.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, my friend over there said you were really cute.
That's fucking smooth. Yo, I'm doing that shit. That is smooth. Yo, that is fucking hilarious, bro. Yo, I'm doing that shit, bro. That's good. Oh my god, that's fucking hilarious, bro. That's dead ass, bro. That's the easiest way to talk to a girl, bro. Yo, homie over there think he look cute. Get your ass over there. Imagine, bro. That's gonna get her laughing, bro. Come on, y'all know the saying. You can make her laugh and giggle. Y'all know the rest.
Hey, my friend over there said you were really cute.
That, you know what? That would probably work.
It would work. What do you mean, bro? Fellas or ladies, you know what I'm saying? It'll make a motherfucker laugh. It'll make me laugh if a shorty did that to me, bro. Get on that. You know what I'm saying? Get on that, bro. That's fucking hilarious. Hit her with one. I mean, I'm doing it. You know what I'm saying? I'll be like.
Probably.
That's funny.
That, you know what? That would probably work.
It would.
It would probably work. It's quite funny.
Yeah,
It
could you
would.
make her laugh?
Even if she thinks it's weird, bro, like she's bound to at least smile. You know what I'm saying?
That would probably
It
work.
is too fair.
It
Yeah,
would
I'm
probably
not gonna lie.
work.
Make a new friend.
Yeah, could you make her laugh, surely?
I think it would. I think it would. It's funny. Like
That's
it's better than
hilarious.
anything else that, like, I don't know. I can't think of a better
What else you
one.
gonna say that's gonna work?
I don't know.
Well, give me a line that would work better than that.
Bro, that's WHEEZE gang. Come on. That's WHEEZE, bro. That's all you gotta say. Walk your ass over there. One of them. You know what I'm saying?
And else, I don't know.
Stop playing.
I was going to say this gonna work.
That's
I
funny.
don't know.
Bro.
Well, give me a line that would work better than that.
What do you mean? Start your Stop trying to put me on the spot.
Yeah, why not?
Give me a line that wouldn't work.
That wouldn't work?
Well, of course it would.
You're clapped.
Yes, you asked for it though. You said
See,
that.
this is what you were trying to do to me. You were trying to stitch me up to make me fall, and now you have. Okay.
Show me your WHEEZE. Come on. Where's Toby? Let's get Toby in the call. He'll know what to say.
He doesn't say anything, bro.
He just
He's
licks his
like,
lips.
Nah, he literally just like.
Yeah, it just licks his lips and then they're.
Hey, lady. That's cringe.
She
See,
loved
look,
it.
she laughing, bro. Damn. Hey, oh, wait. Okay. I wanted to see the belly button.
What's this going on? Oh my god.
Oh!
What the fuck?
Oh my
Okay.
Is this
god.
one again?
I like that.
This is their whole TikTok
That's your
account.
kid there. Your kid can hit their head there. Hit their head there. Hit their head there. Or get down safely. Massive rocks on a playground. Just makes sense, doesn't it? La, 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 la. Quite dangerous. That's going to snap
Even like
your
this one
kid's
last time.
shin straight
That
in
is
half.
true. Those things there.
Yeah.
If your leg falls through that and you're running, I guess kids are durable, but like.
Nah, bro, you're done.
Durable.
What the fuck? Oh,
Your
shit.
kid needs rock climbing chalk to be using this equipment. Oh my god, I love binoculars! Concussion.
Concussion.
This looks
The
really fun to
fuck?
film, you know.
Concussion.
This is Simon become parent 24 hours too.
Yeah.
Yo, the bounce back.
This is Simon become parent 24 hours too.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That boy getting tossed.
This is Simon become parent 24
That boy
hours too.
getting tossed.
Would you toddler this style? Get toddler versions.
I enjoyed that.
That was good. No
That was
wheezing.
good.
No wheezing though, yeah.
Maybe we would have wheezed if we
Could.
wheeze.
Yeah, I feel like
You
I
can wheeze,
shot.
Simon. You are a wheezer.
Well, they didn't make me wheeze.
That's good, bro. This one, that last one, definitely I feel like the funniest, but also the one with the guy at the club, bro. That's fucking. What, bro? That's smooth as fuck. You don't even. I mean, if you walk away a little further, I feel like it would make it funnier. But he could have deadass stood right here at this pole right here and be like, "That guy over there standing next to the lights think you're cute." You walk over there. Boy, that shit funny, bro. What? Come on, bro. Listen, you can have Riz. You don't gotta say too much. You're not saying. Oh man, Harry trying to wheeze is golden. Sidemen wheezes. Harry moans. Josh almost dies breathing. These three are such a good trio. Harry wheezing is the best part. Oh my god, bro. W video. Let me know what you guys thought. Ask my reaction. If y'all enjoyed, give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't. And I'm out.